Hey, the Cox here. Thanks for joining us on Around the Home. If you want to take a moment, please subscribe to the channel and check out our website. Link will be popping up top right of your screen. Hey, okay. So hopefully a quick, easy video, how to remove these old cultured marble vanity tops, okay? Now I've already got the sink and the faucet disconnected, okay? So plumbing has been disconnected, capped off, it's all clean, ready to go down here. So now we're just going to take this off. What does it require? Most of the time, just a utility knife, standard hammer, and a small pry bar, not one of your big ones, okay? First, side splashes. I'm assuming you probably got one. Let's get rid of this first. So I gotta cut the caulking out. And then with the small pry bar, you're going to carefully, without damaging the wall or the cabinet, whatever it's stuck to, or try to just pry it loose. Okay. See? That's the typical way that they install it, is by putting some silicone caulking or latex caulking right behind it and stuck to the wall or whatever, okay? Now we're gonna look over here at the mirror. Now, hopefully they didn't go crazy and caulk right here. There should be no caulking there, but I've come across it where there are. If there is, you're in trouble. You're probably have to try to take the mirror off. And mirrors like this are glued to the wall, so I'm not even getting into that. Now this one here has these little side trim pieces that are also glued on, which is going to be harder to get the top out from underneath because they just hang out further. But, so we're going to go underneath here, and we're going to look to see if there's caulking up here, and I don't see any. There might be a little bit like directly on top of the cabinet, but there's none hanging over the face. So now we're just going to simply lift. So that was easy. Alright, so the sink is here, and the front of the cabinet's right here. Okay, and we gotta get this out from underneath it. So we're gonna lift and kind of try to pull forward it as we lift to get this out from underneath the mirror. You can do it slowly, you can hear caulking's. Okay, I should have cut that first, but it let go easy. And I was going slow, so that helped. But you should cut that caulking there first, I forgot. Boom, baby, and there you go. Okay, so what do you do if you have a double sink? Especially what if you have a double sink that's in between two walls? How do you get out in one piece without destroying the wall? Well, let me show you. Again, plumbing's already disconnected, and we're gonna start with the side splashes, just the same as the other bathroom. Okay, now this one here is a little different because it's a drywall and not like a wood paneling. So we don't want to just look right here. If we go right here, there's a good chance we're just going to punch a hole through the wall because I'm sure there's no stud here. Your outlet's here, so that means there should be a stud here or here normally. So we're going to carefully work with that. That's pretty good. Alright, now we want to check underneath here again and see if there's any caulking at the face. And there's not on this one. Okay, so if there was, obviously cut it. Now we're going to just try to lift it forward and carefully peel it. Now we're loose, but how do we get it out without scraping this wall to pieces? I'll show you. By the power of Thor! No, you don't do that. That's crazy. Okay, I want to take a sledgehammer and swing with all my might like Thor. You'd bust the cabinet and the mirror stuff. But we are actually going to use this. Alright? With drawers here, you have to know what's going on down here, but we should have plenty of room. So when you strike it through, you're not doing a full arm swag string all the way through. You want to stop just like 2 inches past, okay? But we're trying to put a crack right through the middle. And we want to keep it away from the mirror in case this were to shatter and go up into the mirror. There we go. Now we just carefully separate the broken pieces, and now we have 2 separate sinks. I really hope that helps you out with your project. Sometimes these cultured marble tops can really be crazy. But most of the time it's really easy to get out. Even this one here, this is intimidating, but it's really not that crazy. You saw I had control the whole time. I didn't try any kind of superpower move or anything like that on it. Now you're gonna have to wear gloves and safety glasses when you do this, of course. And these are sharp now, so continue to wear the gloves as you haul it out. I hope this helped you out. Please check out my rest of my channel, subscribe, check out my cooking channel, check out this additional video, and you guys, thanks again for watching.